That way you just say, I don't know how I miss it.
So Trevor one back nicey because he have pretty van eyes, he have BMW eyes.
But Camille, you don't know. Your love is like a burning
You
fire
take me for your mate.
deep down in my soul.
But he's not a farmer. You take me for your mate. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. No nice to your thing. You've been Camille-fied.
Camille-fied.
Yes. So you can't go back to Nicey. Who is Nicey?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Tell you.
Jaja.
She put a spell on me.
No one ever the stupid style, you know.
She put a spell on
It's
me.
not the stupid.
Mm.
It's the excellent.
Okay. Da da
He makes you
dee.
sing. Sing, baby.
Oh my God.
You love this too much. But I'm speaking. Yeah, but I'm speaking blank. La 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 la. Him can't him.
Jaja.
Can't him. I'll him just full up Camille then. But Camille have the key and the code to the safety deposit box.
Oh.
So once you find out say him have any entanglement, all of the money move out.
Well, you know, say one thing though. We are changing the subject. You know, so every time we come here, we basically have the same conversation over and over. I'm going to tell Harvey, yo, you need to find a way for you to reach your son anytime you come here. And I can't tell the abuse on the toll, brother. And she knows that when we hit the toll, I drive. So she... No.
Come here, where you do,
my
man?
chest
Yeah.
and them thing.
Has him ever attack out a packet? Him ever out a packet? So you have to check him. Go so. And go so.
Oh shit.
Them something.
Right there?
Trevor, we are own me up so far. We not public, you know.
You know, say them thing I can't take with you, Camille. Why you know want me hold you up in a public? Eh? You have somebody where you know want to see me and hold me up.
Trevor, we are own me up so far. We not public, you know.
Public? So why you know want me hold you up in a public? Eh? You have somebody where you have a watch you. Where you know want to see me. See me. See you hold me up in a public.
You know why them see me hold you up?
Yeah, you know why them see me.
Yeah, overthink.
Yeah. Come.
No. Chapman can't do that. That rock there.
No, it's a nice
But you know what, what?
You and Carlton.
We already know that.
We know that already. Rolling.
That.
Shame your fat.
You don't know when he's going to strike.
Neither do you.
Neither do you.
Rolling. Tell me. Rolling. Fancy left, fancy right.
And you know? Tell me.
Oh,
The
no,
Papa
yeah,
man
yeah.
tell me.
Trevor have pretty car eye. As you see, back vehicle. Ready for the camel bun. Yes, we know.